Ooh, that one's really blown. This is a real oddball bulb. I don't see any markings whatsoever on the base of it. There's just nothing there. No matter where I turn it, it's not marked. I have no idea what the wattage was. Hopefully you can see there the filament is burned out. And look at the weird shape of this damn thing. Where the hell do you get one of those? Well, let me show you what it's out of. It's actually out of this antique Miller High Life sign. That was the kind of bulb that was in there. And I don't think it's too much of a big deal to take it off. Well, sort of, there we go. And you can see there's just 2 thumb screws there. And then it comes off. And that bulb was just a candelabra base. I don't know exactly how old this is. I don't know if any of that tells anybody anything. There's no date there. But this is certainly... It was sold to me in an antique shop. Whether or not it actually was an antique, I don't know. And I'm probably going to need 2 hands to put that back up on the wall. Oh, no, we got it. Just like that. That was kind of cool. Anyways, the light in it had crapped out, oh, geez, a number of years ago. Quite a number of years ago. And I took it apart and just twisted the bulb in its socket, and it came back to life, and everything was working. And then the other day, I found it out. This the other day was, geez, I don't know how long ago, but certainly a number of months, maybe as much as 4 months ago, I found the bulb burned out. And I happened to have been drinking at the time, so I needed to find a bulb right quick for it. And so I did. I put one of these in, little candelabra base. Hopefully you could see that right there. C7, cool burning, 5-watt, jingle time from Ocean State Job Lot. I didn't even pay $1. I think it was like 50% off after Malcolm Xmas or some crap like that. Bulb replacement instructions. We seriously fucking need that? Oh my god. Okay. Screw new bulb into the socket. Do not twist the glass bulb. How the fuck else do you get it in the socket then? Well, anyway, that's what a Jew boy is doing with Xmas lights. Even though it's white frosted, it worked. And it lights up just as well as that original bulb. I have no way of knowing the wattage on it, but a 5-watt bulb certainly did the trick. So let's go and kick her on. And of course, you know, the bulb was incandescent because you have to. So let's turn that on. There we are. And it lights right up, just as it always has. Is it perhaps the tiniest bit dimmer than it used to be? Maybe. But nothing I'm worried about. It still lights up. It looks good. And that's all that counts. So that bulb saved the day. And I'm really happy about it. Boy, these motorized things. That's chattery. The red laser making a little noise. The green one is really noisy. And this thing makes noise. There's even a fan in there on the other side. Yeah, I don't know if you can make it out. Sure, it's there. There's a tiny fan. So anyway, it's there. It lights up, and that's all good. And what the hell, while we're here, we'll just play with a couple of other goodies, like, of course, the light with the dimmer from the kitchen, and it still works, you know, and it'll dim down to nothing and Just put it at a decent-ish glow, just for dim dining, you know. And, you know, what the hell, let's kick on some of this stuff just for funs, like the digital picture frame. That hasn't been on, and the CMOS battery in this is so dead. I don't think I've ever shown you this up close, really. So there it is, upside down. It says time and day isn't set, but Windows XP don't care about that, so you just hit F1, which is conveniently right there. And here is your upside down Windows XP logo. We'll let that run. Ooh, a fan! Here's a fan! This is that Wexford one that allegedly has a bad capacitor in it. Low. Medium. And high. And it's making fan things and moving air. And I don't have my anemometer with me. And there's no way I'm going to hold a piece of shitty toilet paper in front of a fan to show you that, oh, look, it's on. You can hear it's on. You can see it's on. And if you can't see or hear, well, shit, you wouldn't be watching this video. So we don't need any superfluous bullshit. So with that done, while the digital picture frame is still doing its thing, let's boot this thing up just for shits and grins. I don't know when the last time this was booted was. 640K. Yep, she's booting. And over here we're still loading. The mouse pointer has not even turned upside down yet. Where's the... That network light is blinking good. Hard drive light is the middle one that's blinking every now and again. So that usually takes an hour because it only has 128 mega RAM. There you go. Still upside down. This is decompressing. And all because it was on this thing, which we've already gone over in the video. But I figured, you know, just for shits, while we're in the dark corner, you know, here, I'll even put the fan back on. Make you all feel better. The fan is on. Ooh, and a green clean light. So let's see, this should dial out now. Oh, cool, look. It's started the slideshow without flipping the screen upside down. I don't think it's ever done that before. That is fucking peculiar. So we'll let that do its thing for a minute. And we are connected here at 300 BPS. If I recall, getting our timestamp. And the fan is on, and the light works, and that's still upside down. Never seen it do that before. The clock set, and certainly is nice and sharp amber. I mean, look. Still, I mean, to this day, I don't know how old this monitor is. MDA like this was out in 1981 with the first PC. This most certainly is not any kind of 1981 monitor, being that it's from Brother that came with some sort of word processing system. There you go. It's about almost 8 minutes to 1. There we go. Now it flipped the right way. It's not happy about it, but it flipped. Let's see if it goes to the next picture. It does. Ah. Perfect. So anyway, I guess time's about up for this video, so thank you very much for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, and look what happens to be here. I forgot to mention that when I put this bulb in, it burned out within about 10 minutes. And I had to replace it with another one that wasn't fucked up. I never threw that bulb out, so that way it'll just remind me it's there.